My goodness, look my hand! Look my hand, huh? Bolbaring! Greatest song in Meghalaya! Let's go! Kakale, 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 kale, kale, kakale. I will learn this song, guys! I will learn this song, guys! Yes! Let's go! Bolbaring, go, Kali?
Kabasting.
Kabasting. Kakali tip top. Kakali kap. Kakali kabasting.
Yes. Once again.
Bolbaring o kakali. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna do Bolbaring music video. Stay tuned. How it's gonna be, how it's gonna look, we don't know. We will find out. This is how we manage in India. How many we are here? We are many. With the children, we can manage here in India easily, no problem. We need to buy the rice also. but that's okay, we can still manage. We make the way, we create the way. If it's not, something is not possible, we make it possible also. Debuleba mentore canepa ai balla oh 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 Bolbaring kakalidin. One of the most beautiful song what has created here in Meghalaya. Shout out Amunick. Thank you for your beautiful song. You can see we can fit nicely here. We can fit nicely. We have Bolbaring here. We have rice here. You know. We have this auto is full packed up, but that's how we travel. That's how we travel here. What is this one? My goodness. From where?
That side.
Oh yes. I still need to practice a little bit the lip sync. Bolbaring o kakaliding. Kakali titok, kakali kabasting. Ngatemen rai renga ba ai kamai kayanga. Debule ba mentoi rekan neba ai bala. Oh 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 oh. Bolbaring kakali di. Bolbaring kakali di. So we have arrived here in beautiful Paham Sim in Meghalaya, and we have Mr. Khun.
Hello.
Young, multi-talented, video editor, video maker. Did I miss something else? Ah, yes. Also, he's single. Isn't it? You are single?
Yeah.
Handsome looking guy, nah? He's young. I really appreciate him actually, Khun. He's very talented. He knows what he do. He knows how to shoot videos, actually. He have also this choreography mindset. He knows how to, you know. He sees. He's a visionary and good on his work. He's also fast. So if you need any videos, in description there is the information. So we shout out Khun. Definitely. And he has good equipments also. And he's gonna shoot this Bolbaring video for us. Oh, to. Bolbaring o kalidi titi 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 Bolbaring kakalidi titi 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 Kabyang. Behind. Okay, let's go. Now maybe we can. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Feel like a children. Let's go!
Rengapa ay kamay kaya na Dapuli ba mentay ba ay belah Bolbaring
Slow.
He's the man. He's the man. We are the man. All we are the man. That's good. Baringo kakaliting. Kakalitip-top kakalikabasting. Ngatemen rarenga apacho ta. Well, let's go. Oi, vielä. Let's go. You can do 1, 2, 3, remember? 1, 2, 3! My goodness, what a fighter. Now we have done the recording of the music video, we have finished it. But one thing what is very important is called thumbnail. And what is thumbnail? Thumbnail is basically for that one, the first reaction when you see this video when it comes out, the first reaction, the first picture in the video. So that needs to be attractive. So that is called thumbnail. So now we are gonna do the picture, and it needs to be, like I say already, it needs to be attractive picture so people will click it. Example for if you are buying a book, the first expression of the book, it is very important. What do you see when you have it in your hand? Is it attractive? Is it relatable? Does it like fire you up somehow that you want to read that book? The same thing works in YouTube. The thumbnail, the first picture need to be attractive, so you will click it on and you will see what is in the video. So now we are taking the picture of thumbnail.
What are you gonna put in the picture?
We're gonna because the song is about the Bolbaring, and this is called Bolbaring, and it's a wooden handmade, 100% handmade Bolbaring. So we're gonna create a picture with me sitting on the Bolbaring and the kids are there behind.
Yes.
So that's how we're gonna do the photo, and then Mr. Khun is gonna edit that picture in the way that it looks attractive, it looks clickable. That's what it is. By the way, if you want this kind of Bolbaring, just let me know. Let me know. So if you want the wooden Bolbaring, fully wooden Bolbaring, it is possible. Just let me know about it.